Hello, my name is Aki Anastasiou and we are at the venue in the heart of Sandton on the 20th floor, as you can see behind me. And together with AWS and ITWeb, we are going to explore how this transformative journey that we've been on since the start of COVID is going to change and unlock even more value into improving our lives from a citizen point of view, from a government point of view, from a big enterprise point of view. The cloud is growing and it's going to be a very exciting journey, and I'm looking forward to hosting together with ITWeb this new AWS series which is going to be coming out in 2022.
So AWS has been very relevant in the public sector. We have already have an investment program where we are spending 365 million rand in sponsoring small medium businesses and growing these small medium businesses so they can become sustainable in the South African economy and they can contribute to further jobs both in urban and rural areas. In addition to that, we are very passionate about skilling people, both in schools and underprivileged that lack skills, that don't have cloud skills or IT skills, and we have invested over 155 million rand in terms of skilling people in South Africa. In addition to that, we have also, in terms of driving the South African economy, we've contributed 3,900 jobs and over 7,000 indirect jobs. So AWS is definitely helping the public sector, but more so helping South Africa in driving the economy and growing the economy going forward.
And if it wasn't for the fact that we had this migration towards digital and cloud computing, what we do simply wouldn't be possible. So from our perspective, the adoption of digital and cloud-based computing has really accelerated our business and made it accessible to the entire world to make sure that vaccines are effective in preventing disease.
As a CIO of Wits University, one of the things that I did when I arrived at the institution was to put down a cloud strategy. So in essence, we are in the journey of cloud. We are not going back to infrastructure within the premises. Everything is cloud. In essence, one would put it as, if it's not cloud, then you have to explain why not cloud.
We showcase our customers, we give them a platform to show how they are already innovating, and our customers are doing some amazing things that are at the cutting edge. So we really want to provide them the opportunity to talk about their solutions, but also what we want to do is make sure that we're giving the public sector a voice in this and foster better collaboration. So what we're doing different this year, which we are excited about, is that throughout the series we've seen that our customers want to talk, they want to interact. Most of the attendees at our events are really the captains of industry. So we're giving them a bigger space to do that this year, and we're changing up the format. We really want to see some tangible solutions coming out of these discussions. This cross-pollination of ideas is really beneficial in spearheading innovation.
What cloud has done, not only with Amazon, but cloud services, they're now taking away the capital expenditure in terms of buying technology. So it's almost like becoming prepaid. So instead of cities and organizations spending huge amounts of our funds in terms of buying technologies and buying infrastructure, cloud services actually allows us to actually spend much less over a period of time. So as a city, we'll definitely be looking at moving some of our services in the cloud, and also when they are in the cloud, it actually makes it easier for our citizens to access those services from anywhere else in the world.
There are programs that we're building that we are coming up with. Like on Tuesday, as a Gauteng provincial government, we were launching a new of its kind, the electronic and electrical waste management that will launch on Tuesday, which is the first of its kind from a government point of view, which our aim is to deal with transforming township economy revitalization. As I'm speaking to you now, today the premier was in Tembisa, where he was talking to some guy who's got lots of old equipment that he doesn't even know what to do with them. And I think that's where we're trying to move in, to bring in this digital transformation, at the same time ensuring that there's sustainable development, especially when it comes to social development and social cohesion for our people. So I think we're in the right track. We just need to speed up a bit.
What is important is the close collaboration between industry, academia, and the government. The fourth angle I would like to give is to add the NGOs to it. So if you are able to work together, we can be able to achieve more.
COVID-19 has really been a blessing to the ICT sector. I think that it is shown that technology is an enabler, making it possible for institutions like GovChat to really scale through the amazing work of Amazon Web Services. We were also able, through Amazon Web Services, to process well over 12,000 messages every single minute. And I'm really grateful that Amazon has come on board to help GovChat scale in the way that it did. And I want to wish them all the best and strength going forward.